Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to stop contact friending you on Snapchat. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Did you know that you can stop Snapchat user from finding your profile if they know your phone number? So in this video, I will show you how to do it. So first, of course, we have to open our Snapchat. Now you can go to your settings by tapping your profile in the on the up left corner. You can go to settings by tap on the upper right corner here. You can just scroll down and you'll find options. This one. Contact me on the privacy control. You can just tap on that. And here by default, anyone on your contact can find you on Snapchat, but if you don't want people find you on your Snapchat, you can just choose on friends. So now only your friends on Snapchat who can find you on Snapchat. Your contact will no longer be able to show up in your chat tab. You can just tap on OK. So now you have disabled the sync contact on your Snapchat. So that is how to stop contacts find you on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.